All right, guys, welcome everybody. Very quickly, I want to show you a live trade now that I just took, and then I want you guys to see something very quickly. Let's go. Now, what do I see from this? Remember, I told you guys about we just learned recently on patterns, on market structure patterns and information. I taught you about head and shoulder pattern. And then see what is showing now. So I want to show you a live example of the market.
I won't be able to hear that.
Huh? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello? Can
you hear me?
I'm with you now. But I'll soon go off. I'll soon go off.
Awesome. Now, I taught you guys about the shoulder pattern. See what I'm waiting for now. See, this is what shoulder. This is what head. No matter what, I took this sell from here. We're already in about some pips, but market is retracing already. See, I send this to signals. Why do I take the signals? What are the compasses I saw? From here, I saw that market came back to this place, do a double top on what? On a psychology level, that is 2, double top 1. Also, my trend line, that is 3. Then I took a shot. Around this place. We're already on good pips. Smart, I have tip 1 already, and they're going to TP2 now. So a TP2, yes, this market should still come to this place. That is, are you with me? That is around 62.40 something. Yeah, it will now show us what? Head and shoulder pattern. At this point, I will be longing. Bam! Am I talking, guys? Do you get that? Hello? Hello, can you hear me? Hey, are you there? Network. Oh. Hello, sir, can you hear me? Hello, sir, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Hey, I stopped. Anyway, maybe that was this network actually. So I'm expecting market to come down to this place. Once it come down to this place, I should see at a bigger time frame than shoulder pattern. When I taught you guys, this is the shoulder, this is the edge. So market should come back to this place. Once you come back to this, there is no way there's to vacantly buy. It's a strong buy market, which is a strong confidence. Our psychology level is there, our trend line is there, the shoulder pattern is there. That's 3 out of 4. Then what am I waiting for? I will shoot it in like mad. Am I talking? I will shoot. It's a crazy market. It's a crazy market. So I'm waiting for that. Man. I'm strongly waiting for that, man. And then we should that should mature probably by New York. I'm looking. Okay. Yeah, this is just 90th. Maybe by New York it should mature, or it might be before then. But I'm hoping it should mature, so it should be launching by New York session. But now this market will still come down to somewhere around here. Then we can long for head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. That is how to spot head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. I taught you guys about that. Head and shoulder. Likewise to this correlation pair as well. Let's see. Correlation pair. This is the correlation pair as well. Shoulder, head, and that one should come here. This market is just already. It should come back to this place again. And here. Then we can long. This future line will be broken long to this point. Then you can long to this point. I'm waiting for the long. Let me place myself. I took a sell here. Took a sell here that time. Okay, let me place it. I took a sell here. Took a small sell. Took a small sell. Okay. I took a small sell. Took a sell on this point. Yeah, I took a short sell around that point. So it'll be more or less like short too. So I should be. I'm not expecting market to come back. Around here, it should stop and drop a bit. This is my short and shoulder. Me too long. We come back to this place, and I still long, but it's really confirm very well. I'm not saying I have to come back to this place. I'm saying I have to come back to here. So I can actually log. I should have so I can actually log. Yeah. So that is one of the reasons why I called for this meeting this morning. One reason why I called for this meeting this morning. So I want to be that is very, very, that is really understood. Yeah. So that is for that, guys. That is for that, guys. I'm also waiting for this market. Outlook, market outlook for today. I'm sorry for this market. This is bounce here, bounce here. It should bounce here too. Let me draw it for you. So market should bounce here too. Should bounce here too and come somewhere around. If you come around here, somewhere around my listen, I should be shorting. Because what am I saying? Come to the bigger time frame. Come to my trend line is there. Our trend line is coming from what? See, this is where it's coming from. Very big. Let's go to weekly. Where the trend line is coming from. You see from weekly. Can you see where it's touching? Touches here 2022, touches 2021. Can you see? So and it's again 2024, it's touching 2023 December, it touches again. Then now it's touching again May 2024, then it should bounce back. Am I talking, guys? It should definitely bounce back. So that is why I will be long, I will be shorting. So I just need a confirmation and I need to come up. This is some formation that we can run. So market needs to come up here again. Let's come up here again and we'll short to this point. We'll short to this point. And short to this point will be long again. That's market for you. Just follow the pattern. Pam, 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 pam. When you short, you long. When you long, you start it. So when it's from that place, let me place my short. So as well, so same thing I should be looking for a short as well. Yeah. That comes to someone here. Should be shorting and I should be seeing that 15 pips. And that's really shorting. I should be shorting. Yeah. Let's come up with a comment or something. I should be like 10 pips. Just 10 pips. Yeah. 10 pips to cut about 60 pips. That's a very good one. Very strong ratio. Very strong market ratio. So that's about 10 pips. Awesome. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. That's what I'm looking at. So that's that for today. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Peace out, guys. See you in the next class. Bye for now.